Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old Yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. My channel is mostly all about crochet. I like to share patterns that I find. Some may be paid, some may be free, but I feel like if it's a good pattern, I want to show you guys and let you guys know where to get that. And I just wanted to say how much I appreciate all the comments that you guys leave me, and I just want you to know that I'm very appreciative of that. And I learn a lot. I learn how to help improve my channel by, some of these comments. So I appreciate that, and I appreciate the encouragement that you guys give me. Okay, so today is obviously, it's about Happy Mail, as the title says. So the first thing I want to show is last Happy Mail, I had bought this, I was showing off this Zumigurumi 6. And thank you. I had a few ladies that emailed me and told me that this is a red panda. And that they one of the ladies actually showed me a picture of the difference. And I had no idea that, I thought it looks to me like a fox. But one of the main differences is the snout between the red panda and the fox. The fox has a longer snout and stuff. So now that I've seen the picture and I know that a red panda is a real thing and it does look like a fox, that that's what this is. So I appreciate that, ladies. I really do. And I think I even had a few people comment in the comment section letting me know that it really is a red panda. So it's not what we think a red panda looks like. So, I learned something. And so I want to share that with you guys so that if you were like me and you didn't know the difference, you learned something too. Okay, so the next thing I want to show, I guess I'll show my knit crate real quick. There's not much to it. I did receive, let's see. I received this little, all you need is yarn, and it has this little heart on the back, and it's a tape measure. So that's cute. It's kind of big in my opinion. I mean, I kind of prefer my tape measures to be a little bit smaller, but doesn't matter. But I did receive these two. Aren't they pretty? I just love these. And so I was really excited, especially when I found out, yes, there was a DK. It's 231 yards, 80% wool, 10% silk, 10% mohair. And it's called Aldine Woods by Knit Crate. It's Calm. Made in Peru. It's called Exhale. But isn't that beautiful? I just love it. So I was pretty excited when I opened my knit crate and I saw this. I was like, finally something I can use. A lot of times they're really thin, or so that one was, it was a DK. It was the perfect color. So I'm really excited. And I did receive this card right here. February 2021, unwind. And I have not gone online to look at the pattern. Honestly, whatever the pattern is, I probably won't be making it because I've never made any of their patterns anyway. But I will use this yarn. If it wasn't 80% wool, I would use it now. But since it's 80% wool, I may have to save it for fall. But I don't know. I'll make that decision later. But I do really like this yarn a lot. So I was tickled to get that. See, I showed you the Zumigurumi book. I did hit Michael's up. I didn't get too much. But I did get, for $3.99, this Caron marble cake. I normally don't buy this color because there's really nothing that attractive about this color. It's just bland. But I've been wanting something in kind of like gray and black and white type color. So I went ahead and grabbed two of them because I'm not sure exactly what I want to make. But for $3.99, $8 for this. Who knows, I may get two things out of it. But I thought that I would go ahead and grab this because I don't have this. It's called Cookies and Cream. And it's medium full weight, 100% acrylic, 404 yards. So I'm getting 808 yards out of this, two of these, for $8. But yeah, nothing to, write home about color-wise, but I did need that color. So, okay, there's my Michael's price tag. Oh, yeah. I did get, my sister has a birthday coming up, so I did pick this up. It was 40% off. That's her initial, so I thought I'd grab that. But this is what I'm really tickled about, and it's the Flex. They had these for $7.50. And isn't that gorgeous? I'm like, I'm in love. I wanted all of it. They had so many pretty spring colors. It was just unreal. It was just beautiful to me. It's a medium 4-weight yarn, 79% acrylic, 21% polyester. This color is called Deep Pink Coral. And there are, let's see, how many yards is in this thing? It's loops and threads, limited time only, 590 yards. There's the front of the tag. I got it for $7.49. That's a lot of yarn. A lot of yarn. I will probably actually only need one of these. I thought about making me a cardigan with it when I saw it. I thought this would be so pretty to make a little cardigan, or even like a spring top that's got big hose and you just wear a tank top underneath it. It would be perfect for that even. And so that's why, I don't know, I probably should have got 2 colors. I may keep my receipt, and if one is all I need, I may go back and get another color that they have, and you know, I don't know. But I went ahead and grabbed 2 just to be on the safe side. So yeah, so that's all that I got for that. Oh yeah, I ordered 2 more hooks from Brenda the Newbie Crocheter, and she actually, let's see, I think I showed those in my last Happy Mail video. Well, for my birthday, thank you, Brenda, I received this card and a sticker. And this is actually from her and her husband, because I believe he made it. Okay, here are all the custom hooks I have from Miss Brenda. Aren't they just gorgeous? Look at that. Yes, I love them. Well, for my birthday, let's see. I think this came from you, Brenda, right here. I think this was in her bag, because I don't have anybody else's stuff up here. I only have hers on the table, so yes. And I'm excited about this because it has a magnet on the back. So as soon as I got it, I told my husband, I said, look, we can put this on our fridge and keep it with our grocery list, because our grocery list is always just all over the house, wherever we can think to write something down. And then when we leave the house, we always go past our refrigerator to go through the laundry room to go out to the garage. And so we always forget our grocery list. So this is perfect. Well, here's what her and her husband made. Look at this. Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Isn't that gorgeous? And so my hooks go inside there, which is really cool. See how it's nice and thick? Look at that. Which is really cool, because each one of these colors are the actual colors of the hooks that I have ordered from her. So, let's see. Here we go. And see how they just sit in there? Isn't that cool? I want you to know, Brenda, I absolutely love this. This sits right there where I work, because these are my favorite hooks. And so I'm always digging these out of my little bucket that hangs on the side of my whip caddy. And so where I work in the living room area, I have this block sitting right there beside me underneath the light. And so when I'm working on a project and it says G hook, I know them by color. I immediately grab the yellow. And if it says a K hook, turquoise, H hook, red, let's see. J hook, I hook. And my newest one, my 3.0, the D hook. I mean, I know my hooks just by color. And that's why when I have her to make these for me, I have her to make them in color. So that when I'm doing a pattern or something, I really don't even have to look I don't have to go through my bucket and look at all the hook sizes and see which one's an H and trying to find an H. I know by color. If it says H, I know it's red. So I love this thing. Absolutely loved it. And so thank you for this. I appreciate that so much. Yeah. So Brenda actually has a YouTube channel. And so I will leave her channel below. And if you are interested in wanting a custom made hook from Brenda, I'll leave her email below so you can go check out her YouTube channel. Give you the email so that you can email her if you have a custom order. They do stuff like this, subscribe. I ordered that from her. And then, like I said, I'm not sure if her husband's making these to sell or not. I did receive this as a gift, so I'm not really sure. But you can always contact her and find out if she's given, if they're actually taking orders for this, because I really don't know. But yes, Brenda, that is so special. I will treasure that forever. Hello? Okay, so Brenda, I just want you to know that this hook thing is just gorgeous, and I will treasure this forever. And it has actually made my life a little simpler just because the way that they stand up like that, and I can just reach over and grab the color of whatever hook that they say I need. And I will be ordering 2 more hooks from you, by the way. So I think there's only 2 more that I need. I know I need an L hook, so it may be 3. I got the D. Oh, it's the E and the F and the L. So I will be ordering 3 more hooks over the next month. So, yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and read our 365 Days of Prayer. Let's see what's in this book. Okay, it says, willing submission. Obey your leaders and act under their authority. They are watching over you because they are responsible for your souls. Obey them so that they will do this work with joy, not sadness. It will not help you to make their work hard. Hebrews 13:17. Lord God, you are the true authority, so I should remember and trust that anyone with authority over me has it with your approval. We're so very young when we start to struggle against this idea. As soon as I had a will, I began to exert it and to resist anyone who tried to control any aspect of my life. Like the toddler who insisted on putting on her own shoes, when to allow mama would have been so much simpler. I still struggle when I lack control over my situation. Holy Spirit, please subdue me. Show me the gift of willing submission and the peace that comes by trusting that any authority you have placed over me is for my good. Can you trust God through those who are placed over you? So that's a good one. Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And like I said, I will leave Brenda's links below. Go check out her videos, her channel, and send her an email if you'd like to order something. And I'm sure, since her husband does a lot of woodwork, I'm sure they probably take custom orders on woodwork. Just send her an email and say, hey, can you make this? So there you go, Brenda. You may be getting some emails for custom woodwork. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.